and this.
Oh, hi guys.
And
My
save
name
us
is
photo,
Duncan
guys.
and I get to save with
Bye,
you
guys.
to get how to play grow a garden to this Roblox. And how to play, guys, it's so easy. You need to get some seeds and that you want to get. And I will talk you about to how because I'm so rich of this game.
Miggy, I'm not talking because it's only a screen video.
And this is I make before and this name is Grow a Garden. If you want to go with me, just go to my YT to get and come and if wait. You want to add me in Roblox to come press this and click add. Bye.